Welcome back for another video of Self Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enter the radio code of a Ford Fiesta. This one comes from 2004. After disabling the battery or changing the battery, you need to re-enter the code. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it. The code is, I found it in the manual of the car, last page of the manual, 2798. Let's start right away. To enter the 4-digit code, this one is for the first digit, 2, second digit is 7, so press it 7 times. The third digit is 9, and the fourth digit is 8. After entering these 4 digits, press the 5th button once, and you'll see that the radio starts playing again. That was it for this video. I hope it helped you entering the code of your radio system, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.